My dog again. Being a butt. I mean, being cute. Being coochie coochie. Oh, I don't lick my fingers. No, just eat a cute pups. Here, show everybody your canine teeth. Show them your canine teeth. Show me canines there, huh? Yeah. Show me canines. Show me canine teeth there. You gonna show them your toys? You gonna get over by the sweeper? You're scared of the sweeper. He's getting over me. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Get. I'm scared. Who likes my sweet poster? Who likes that sweet poster up there? I think this thing will zoom in. I think something's wrong with me. Never mind. Oh, okay. Stop scratching yourself. Yeah! That's how I would say it. Oh my god. I'll get him. His belly rub about right here. Still in the black part. Feel like he yeah. You start kicking his leg. Come on, kick your leg. Kick your leg. Come on, kick your leg for me. Kick your leg. You can do it. I'll find your sweet spot again. Yeah, find your sweet spot. Find your sweet. You find your sweet spot. Yeah. Everybody's due for a belly rub. Who wants to see hillbilly face? I do this to my dog all the time. Well, take a picture of the canine teeth. Oh, crap, you bit it. Put the camera. I want to do something real quick. Oh. Okay, I'm doing this so you see what my dog does to my face. Easy. What? What you doing over there? Get all the trash. How you doing? No. Okay, I'm gonna wait for him a little bit. Unless you want to sit and watch this. Call of Duty. My room's really crappy, so yeah, it's crappy. Look at all that crap over there. I shopped at I went to Zoomies and bought some freaking awesome shoes. And to remember, I think I still have the leftover hamburger in here. I think I still have it in here, and that's gonna be nasty. Freaking won't open on this side. Oh my god, it's probably still in here. Get it. It'll smell like butt. Get it! Oh, it's so in there. God, that's nasty. Oh my god, that is freaking nasty. Oh my god, it's rotten. That's just nasty. Oh, nasty. Look at that. Dad! Look inside this.
Really deliver when it comes to smoothies and shakes.
Get up.
To kind of see which ones perform best.
It's nasty.
Well, what is it then?
It's food I left over. It's been like a month.
The food?
Yeah.
I don't want it. Put it out in the trash. It's inside the trash out there. Hurry out outside.
Been there for like 2 months. I'm gonna empty it out. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna dump it in the trash bag. Okay, where's it at? It's gonna be nasty, smelly too. Oh gosh, I'm scared. I'm really scared. I am really scared. Look at that. Where's the hamburger at? Hold on. Oh god. I'm gonna have to wash my hands. This is freaking nasty. God, that's freaking nasty. Yeah, it's been in there for a long time. Oh god, let's see if I can pick it up. Oh, that's freaking. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look how old that is. Oh my god, I think the hamburger's in the other one. Oh, freaking nasty. Ew. Ew. Okay, guys, I need to go wash my hands before I freaking get diseases from that. That was freaking nasty. Ew. Yeah, I didn't remember that was in there. Yeah, nasty.